Hey family, happy Tuesday. It's Herbalist Viola, and today we're going to answer the subscribers' questions. Look, before we get started, like, share, and subscribe. So make sure you hit the notification, hit all, so you won't miss any of my videos. Today we're going to just talk about the underarm. You know, I'm getting a lot of messages about the underarm and how to detox it. Just so you know, when I switched to all natural, look, let's be honest. When you switch to anything, it's best to detox. So I just want to show you a quick video on how to detox your underarm. So right now, all you're going to need is a bowl. Just make sure you have a bowl. Make sure you have 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon. You're going to need some rosemary essential oil and some coriander essential oil. I have my bentonite clay and I have my apple cider vinegar and water. These are the items you would need. And look, there's plenty of ways that you can use a detox. You don't have to use this way. You can also use just apple cider vinegar by itself and rub on your area to detox your body. And I'm also going to explain some other things that you can use to detox your body. So right now for the bentonite clay, all you need is, you just need 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay. So we're going to go ahead and measure that out. So you got your bentonite clay, you got 1. And you have 2. So that's 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay. Then you need just 2 teaspoons of water, just 2 teaspoons. And make sure it's clean water, you guys. So I'm just using 2 teaspoons right now. That's 1, 2. So that's 2 teaspoons of clean water. I use distilled water. And just for your apple cider vinegar, just make sure you use 2 tablespoons. So you're pouring 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. It's good to shake it well. I already shook it. But just 2 tablespoons. And we use just 1 drop, just 1 drop of rosemary essential oil, just 1 drop. And then you want 2 drops of coriander essential oil. So just 2 drops. So 2 drops, and you mix it up. Whatever you do, do not use a metal spoon. Make sure you use like a wooden spatula, and then you'll see it like bubbling a little bit. So you just mix it up, because all you're doing is applying the paste on the area. So you're applying the paste on you're applying this under your arm. So all we're doing is detoxing our underarm. The main reason why we're using the rosemary. Rosemary is a natural deodorant for your body. It boosts your immune system. It detoxifies the body, which is good. It's great for toning of your skin. It removes bad odor, and it also, you know, decrease cortisol level, and it also prohibits deadly bacteria. I know you're like, wow, but that is why we put in rosemary essential oils, because it's bacteria. You know, you got bacteria on your arms. We don't really know what's clogging, but it's good to detox. This is the main reason why we detox. And the only reason why we're using the coriander, it purifies the blood. It, like I said, study shows it cures fungal infection. It eliminates body odor. And look, the secret thing I love, the reason why I wanted to use coriander, and I use this blend when I detoxify my body, it kills 12 strands of bacteria. And study shows. So this is the main reason why we're using those two essential oils. You already know what we're using: apple cider vinegar. You know, apple cider vinegar is an antibiotic. So that's the main reason why we're using the apple cider vinegar. It's so many benefits, and we fail to even look at what we actually doing to our body, what kind of deodorant. Like I was telling you in my video last week, we use so many different things and we don't realize what we're doing to our body. We don't realize what we're putting on our body. That's why I was like, man, you think about aluminum and all the other toxins and all the other chemicals that we put in our body, we're actually clogging our pores, and we don't want to clog our pores. That's the main reason why it's good to detox. So this is detoxing from the outside in. Because a lot of people want to detox, like you already see they're coming out with the things you put under your feet, those toxin pads that you put under your feet. You know, I would love to offer those things, but y'all need to use it. You need to try it. Anything that detox for your bodies. I know a lot of people, you know, it's kind of hard to detox your body. It's from the outside in, where they're like, man, I don't want to take that, I don't want to take this, but you need to. It's good to take these things, because you never know what's going on with your body until your body tells you, know, talks to you itself. So remember, apple cider vinegar, bentonite clay, rosemary essential oils, and then you got coriander essential oil, and then you have some water. That is all I use for this paste, to make sure that you can detoxify your body. And now I'm going to go over some things that you can use if you have problems. Now this is just detoxification. So I'm going to go over, because I've noticed a lot of people actually having situations with their body. Real talk, people. A lot of people are having situations in their body. They don't really realize how important it is to detox your body. It's important to try or use something. You do not have to do this. Look, it's better. So for this week, I'm going to tell you, add to your apothecary. Put bentonite clay, you know. It's a wealth of uses that you can use a bentonite clay, because you can actually use this as a face mask. I'm not going to go over face masks. I did face masks in another video and on my course, but I just want to make sure that, you know, you can use something so simple to detox your underarm. Go over maybe about 10 to 15 things that you have in your kitchen that you can use to actually, you know, cleanse your body, cleanse your underarm, and help your underarm if you are having swollen lymph nodes under your arms. Because I've noticed a lot of people are saying, hey, what about my lymph nodes? What about, you know, once I detox, what else I can do if I do have swollen lymph nodes or swelling or mass up under your arm? And these are things you can do. It's always good to do a lymphatic cleanse. I know a lot of people like, Viola, can you just show me something, or some other things you can use? So I'm just going to tell you some other things you can use. You know, everybody sleeps on that turmeric. Look, turmeric is your best friend. Turmeric is my best friend. You already know turmeric is my best friend. So I'm going to just go over some things that y'all need to do. I'm just going to run through some things that you can use that's already in your kitchen. Look, these things are already in your kitchen. So why not use them? So I'm just going to read through my notes. But look, turmeric is one. And the reason why you want to use turmeric, you already know, it's an antibacterial, and it's an antiseptic, and it's an anti-inflammatory. Look, these are the things that we need. You already know it helps joint pain, inflammation, antiseptic. You need to use it. So what you do when you get the turmeric, you want to take it with milk. You want to take it internally. Yes, what it does, you put it with coconut milk, and what it does is it eases the lumps and the swelling. So that's the good reason why you want to use turmeric. Another thing is lemon juice. So with lemon juice, what the lemon juice is rich in vitamin C, anti-inflammatory properties, and it reduces the lumps. And what you want to do, you drink lemon juice every day. So, and I already told you guys, how many times I tell you drink lemon juice? You'd be surprised, just simple things of drinking lemon juice. And look, yeah, now y'all see why I be talking about drinking lemon juice. You sweating, look, you sweating, you're getting all the toxins and all the poisons and stuff that's in your skin. Keep talking about your skin, but this is your underarm. We specifically talking about your underarm. So lemon juice, you just drink it every day, and you can actually apply it on the affected area. You can actually apply it on under your underarm. Yes, you know, you just wait a little while and you can rinse it off. So just want to put that out there. So another one is the onion. You can take the yellow onion. I'm telling you, onion is powerful. You have it in your kitchen. I know you have it in your kitchen to cook. Onions have so many hidden properties. People sleep on the onion. But the onion, what you want to do is loaded with antiseptic and antimicrobial properties. And you drink this. Yes, you could just drink the onion. Onion juice is worth it. Another one is watermelon. Look, I know watermelon is in different seasons, but I drink watermelon juice all the time. I try to freeze it and store it up and just keep the watermelon. Look, the 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 secret in the watermelon is good for overall health, especially if you have a bladder situation. Like some people have painful bladder syndrome. Watermelon is great. It's great for hydration as well, because you know, like I was telling you about that coconut water and the watermelon juice. It's like the best water that you can actually drink. You know, that's Mother Nature's secret. But what it does is it detoxifies your blood, and it helps the lump. So you want to reduce the lump and get all that, you know, all that whatever's in there, the mucus, the inflammation, the pus, whatever's in there. But it's great because, you know, it detoxifies your blood. And I keep telling you about having clean blood. Another one is nutmeg. Everybody got nutmeg in your house, especially for you bakers. But nutmeg is good for you, especially if you add it with honey. So try it. It's an antibacterial, antifungal. It reduces swellings and infection. What you want to do is you want to put it in some hot water. Yes, you use hot water and a little bit of honey. Make sure it's organic, raw honey when you mix it together, and you just drink it. And you can also put it on the affected area. Now, when I tell you put on the area, just try it one time. Just try it, because all you're doing is applying, and you're going to actually, you know, rinse it off. Another one is garlic. You know, we talk about our garlic every time. Remember, garlic is one of my favorite, if not the favorite herb that I use. And I know you have garlic in your house. Look. So garlic, you use this with warm water, you eat it. What you want to do is, I already talked about garlic. I watch all my other videos, but garlic, you want to take it, just eat it with some warm water. No, I ain't talking about eating it with honey, but what you want to do is you could just eat it with the warm water. I mean, you just want to take it with some warm water, take it down, and what it do, yeah, I know sometimes like it seep through your pores, but we're talking about getting these lymph nodes, you know, unswelling these lymph nodes. That's what we want to do. So use garlic as inflammatory, because that's the main thing you want to do. Everybody sleep on the raw honey. It reduces pain and the irritation, and it reduces the lump. So that, you know, honey is an antibiotic. So same thing like the apple cider vinegar. And yes, apple cider vinegar also, because apple cider vinegar, that's another step. So you want to use apple cider vinegars, because apple cider vinegar, it actually dries up the lump, and all study shows. So all of the things I'm going over is already proven fact, and it's already you know, it's already recorded that it helps. Some cures, you know, I ain't saying that it heals, but all that, we're talking about your underarm. We're talking about detoxing and reducing the lumps under your arm. So just wanted to touch on that fast. But you know, and the apple cider vinegar is antibiotic and antiseptic. So we gotta, you know, we really gotta look at these things. I want to say coconut oil. Coconut oil is another. It's antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory. You just put it on the area maybe 3 to 4 times a day. You massage it in with some warm water, and you do this daily. You know, massage it with warm water, and then you'll see, you know, you'll see the great benefits. Yes, I have more. I just want to make sure I touch all this. People sleep on aloe vera. Yes, you may have to buy this, but aloe vera, what it does, you just it's, you know, it's a moisturizer, anti-inflammatory, and you know, you just put it there for 30 minutes, and you can just rinse it off with some cold water. And also you can actually use baking soda. So straight baking soda with no aluminum. You know, some baking sodas, I don't know, but, you know, a lot of stuff has aluminum toxin. Just make sure you get some good baking soda. You can also detox your body and actually help your body as well. So there you have it, you guys. Those are some of the things that you can use if you having issues up under your arm, especially people who has, you know, lymph nodes swollen, mass. These are some of the things that you can use, natural things that you already have upstairs. You know, I'm trying to save you some money, so those are some of the things that you can use. But all right, you guys, I'm Herbalist Viola. You guys, happy Tuesday. Bye.